I have gathered all of you here today to mourn. And by mourn, I mean party. Because we got another box of cereal we're going to review. This is Pumpkin Spice Cheerios. Limited edition. What the heck is on my... Thank you for joining me. Before we review this Pumpkin Spice box, I want to go over some stats before we unbox and review. Calories, 140. Protein, 3 grams. You're not going to be bulking up with this one, boys. Let's see. Vitamin D, 20%. Sodium, 150 milligrams. Cholesterol, 0. It's Cheerios, man. Let's see. Nothing impressive on these stats. Total sugar is 11 grams. Added 10. I mean, nothing crazy here, but Cheerios are Cheerios, you know. I've been eating a lot of honey nut Cheerios. By the way, we're not doing a honey video, if you've noticed. So we're branching out. We're branching out into different types of cereal. So good source of fiber, good source of calcium, 12 minerals and vitamins. I mean, and it's gluten free. Can't forget that. Let's crack this guy open and see how she goes. Hey, look at that! Look at that. Box tops. They still doing those? Scan your receipt. What the heck? All you gotta do is scan it now? You don't have to like bring them in a little Ziploc bag into your classroom at school. That's what I remember doing. Okay. It smells like a pumpkin chocolate chip bread or like a pumpkin pie, kind of. They're definitely kind of on the orangey dark brown side. You can kind of see, zoom in on that. You can kind of see the flavor. Looks like they just kind of sprayed it on top. Let's see here. Let's get our trusty dusty milk. Nice. And it's kind of, ooh, that's disgusting. For you people who drink straight out of the carton, all you single college kids, do you really drink straight out of the carton? Because look what's all on that the lip of the bottle here. It's disgusting. I don't know how you guys do it. You gotta pour it in a cup. All right, let's see here. Make sure you get it all wet. Don't want to have any dry cereal. Look at that. Oh boy, I just almost spilled the whole entire. All right. Cheers. Nope, I do not like that. That is, the flavor is there. You can definitely taste the pumpkin. Maybe it'll grow on me, but I really don't like that. Trying to describe the flavor to you here. It doesn't taste like any. It tastes like pumpkin pie. It tastes like pumpkin. I hate pumpkin pie. Call me crazy. Call me crazy. I love pumpkin chocolate cookies. I love pumpkin chocolate chip bread. I love applesauce pumpkin cookies, though I don't even know if those have pumpkin in them, but they kind of taste the same. I love all that. When it comes to pumpkin pie, I can't do it. Yep. Tastes like someone threw the pumpkin pie pudding straight into my Cheerios, stirred it all together, and then served it to me in a bowl. It's not that good. I was really hoping, because, not that they're related, the pumpkin spice mini wheats are phenomenal. I don't know what it is about them. They have a different flavor. Maybe it's just because it's in mini wheat form. Those are really good, and I can't find them in stores. I found them last year. Only bought one box. First bowl, I thought they were kind of gross. Second bowl, I thought they were amazing. And by the end of the box, I was wishing I had bought a couple more because I couldn't find them. I don't know, man. It's not that good. The Chex honey video that I did the other day, threw the whole box away. I couldn't finish them. Couldn't eat them. Offered it to some of my roommates to see if they wanted them, but I think I might have to do the same with this. I really don't like that. The only thing good about this box is you can play tic-tac-toe, Connect 4 with your friends on the back, so, I mean, at least have a little fun. Alright, guys. Hope you have a good one. Drop in the comments what you want. What cereal you want next, and we'll see if we can't make it happen. Peace out.